Hi there, my name is Charles Givery. I'm CEO and co-founder of DataDistillr, and in this video, this is part 2 of our Getting Started series. I'm going to walk you through connecting a data source and uploading a file to DataDistillr. So with that said, let's get right to it. I should have already created a project, but it looks like I didn't, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick. So let's call this first project. Okay, so now that you've created a project, the first step that you're gonna have to do in order to use this is, of course, to connect data to it. Now, if there's a few different ways you can get to this window, but you can get through it to the this is where your data source will appear. You can get it to it by the project settings, but it all takes you to this same place. So this is where you link data to a project. Now, if you've already done this and you have another project, you can connect already connected data to the project by clicking here. But for our case, we're going to create a new file upload bucket. So I'm just going to click here, and we're going to call this my uploads. And it's not going to like that because it needs a space. It doesn't like the space. And we're going to change the color to red, and we're going to pick another thing here. Let's go with the apple, because why not? Okay. So once we've done this, we now have an upload directory that we can upload our files to. So I have a couple of Excel files here that I'm going to drag off of my desktop. I'm just going to put them right there and click upload. Now, these files will be made available in the links below. They're also in our sample data GitHub repository. So here you go. Here's our data. Here are our Excel files. Now, just to show you that you can do this also, I'm going to create another folder here called Excel. And I'm going to go ahead and move these in there. Whoops. There we go. And so now what you see is we have the two files that we have demo data 2 and 3 are now in this folder, and then we have demo data 1 that's not. So yeah, so that's it. I hit next, and we're done. We're now ready to start querying your data. So that's it. Let me just kind of show you in the nav tree here how this all works. You see this is the data that we just added. Now this is the file. Now Excel files can have multiple sheets in them, and so you'll see that they have that. If the file has more than one sheet, you'll see that there. So you can see here this just has the one. We can expand that, and we can see what columns are present in this data set. Now the same is true for the folder. We can expand that to see what files are here, and then we can see what sheets are present in those files. So that's it. That's how you get data into DataDistillr. In the next part of this series, we're going to walk you through how to write some basic queries. So thank you very much, and happy distilling.